Welcome to Brain Vision.
Now the basic idea of this question is to relate the two different definitions of roentgen via the idea that the energy required to produce an ion pair is equals to 35 eV. Right? We want to see whether this will be able to relate the two definitions of roentgen. Now the first definition is that 1.6 times 10 to the power 12 ion pairs are produced per gram of material, or when we have one roentgen. The other definition is that the other definition would be a total energy deposited of 0.878 times 10 to the power minus 2 joules per kg. Right, it's similar, right? Same, also one roentgen. Now to relate the two together, we start off with this particular definition of roentgen. We convert from kilograms to grams, right, by dividing by 1,000. So that is multiplied by 1 kilogram per 1,000 gram. And then we convert from joules to EV, right? Since our ion pair energy is in terms of EV. Divide by 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 joules per EV. Finally, we can convert from EV into ion pairs by dividing by 35, since each ion pair takes up 35 EV. Putting it into the calculator, we should get a value of 1.567 times 10 to the power 12 ion pairs per gram, right? Which is quite similar to our first definition. So if you were to just check how close they are, right, it's by taking the difference. 1.6 minus 1.567 divided by 1.6 times 100%, we see that they are about 2% different from each other. So the value of 35 eV is consistent, right, with our two different definitions of roentgen.